Hello guys, good day. So ngayon guys, mayroon na naman tayong bagong pag-uusapan. Ang topic natin ngayon guys is to replace the mechanical seal of ship o circulating pump. So ngayon guys, yung gagawin natin ngayon guys, kasi nagkakaroon na ng leaking yung mechanical natin. Kung napapansin natin guys, mayroon tayong rinsing tank na naka-install doon sa gilid ng bomba natin. So yun yung indication guys na pag nagkaroon ng leaking yung mechanical seal natin, doon natin malalaman. Kasi yung quenching tank natin ay mag-overflow. Mawala yung oil na nandun sa quenching tank. Then yung fuel na nanggagaling doon sa bomba natin, yun yung mag-take place doon sa oil. And then aapaw yung quenching tank natin guys. Kaya nilalagay yan doon guys. Yung purpose niyan is para malaman natin kung mayroon tayong problema sa bomba natin, especially doon sa mechanical seal. Kasi itong bomba natin ngayon guys is ibang klase ito guys, no? New model. So bukod doon sa mechanical seal, mayroon din siyang oil seal sa taas ng mechanical seal. So hindi lalabas yung oil doon guys, doon sa oil seal, dahil nandun siya sa taas. Then sa loob naman yung mechanical seal. So ngayon guys, kasi yun na yung nakikita namin, kasi umaapaw guys, no? Hindi na kayang tanggalan mo ng laman, then a few hours tumataas na naman siya. So kailangan natin magpalit ng mechanical seal. So dito guys, isi-share ko sa inyo on how to replace the mechanical seal of new type circulating pump fitted in this vessel. So come on guys, and witness how we replace the mechanical seal. What is the proper procedure on replacing the mechanical seal. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo doon sa engine room para makita natin on how to replace the mechanical seal.
Okay guys, the first procedure is to put marking of wiring connection, and then take out wire from terminal one by one. Wrap each wire edge with electrical tape to avoid contact of wiring circuit. Now take out supply circuit from motor terminal box. Take out the motor impeller cover from the electrical motor and bolt from the base. This time, slowly heave up the motor assembly from the base. Take out quenching tank and 5 fittings from the shaft assembly. Take out fittings of quenching tank from mechanical seal assembly. Clean surface of mechanical seal chamber. Loosen hexagon head bolt of mechanical seal cover.
Fuel cell sa taas. Mechanical sa loob.
Take out hexagon head bolt from mechanical seal cover. Thrown out top cover of mechanical seal.
Hindi yan maugot. Ito yung... Linisin muna, linisin. Oring, kunin mo, oring. Bawasan yung ano. Yung laman. Kasi apaw.
Drain the lower part of circulating pump to avoid spillage. Slowly heave up the circulating pump screw assembly.
Paano mo na? Tao, tao. Paiga lang, paiga. Paiga, paiga.
Take out the hexagon head bolt from the screw pump assembly.
Marking ha, marking.
The engineers, led by First Engineer Rodel Concepcion,
Sino kayo itim?
assisted by Second Engineer Melina, Third Engineer Flores, and Junior Engineer Sonier. Take out the motor base from the screw pump body assembly. Clean the pump assembly and bring to workshop to take out the mechanical seal of FO circulating pump.
Doon na tayo palit.
The view of circulating pump mechanical seal assembly.
Lagay sa rep yan para hindi makik...
My procedure to avoid expanding of O-ring is to store it in cold storage or refrigerator.
Lagay sa rep para hindi mag-expand. Okay na? Doon? Doon, hagdanan.
As you can see guys, this type of shaft has no groove or mechanical seal stopper. Make sure to put marking before taking out the mechanical seal from the shaft. Next, take a measurement using the caliper from the shaft edge to the rotating ring carbon. Next, loosen the 3-lock hexagon head bolt of mechanical seal from the shaft. Now take out the mechanical seal from the pump shaft. Next, clean the shaft with metal polish to remove the stain of the fuel in the shaft surface. The view of old and young spare mechanical seal. Take out carefully fixed ring of mechanical seal from the top cover. Install a new fixed ring of mechanical seal into the top cover. Install a new mechanical seal rotating ring into the pump shaft. When taking a measurement, use a piece of paper to protect the face of rotating ring. When the caliper tips is in contact with the face of rotating ring, it may result in scratching the surface of mechanical seal. Next, fix the lock of mechanical seal to pump shaft. Install the base of motor to the pump body assembly. Fix the hexagon head bolt to the pump body assembly. Now tighten the hexagon head bolt. Install back to the circulating pump body assembly. Lower down gently the pump assembly to the base basket of circulating pump. Fix and tighten all the bolts into the pump base of FO circulating pump. Now install the top cover of mechanical seal. Check for the spring tension of mechanical seal by pushing down the top cover. Put back the hexagon head bolts to fix the top cover of mechanical seal. Put back the flange coupling into the pump shaft. Gently push down the flange coupling into original position. Put back rubber coupling between motor and pump assembly. Now install the motor to the circulating pump body assembly. Turn back the wiring connection to the motor terminal box. Install back quenching tank and fittings from mechanical seal chamber. Install quenching tank and pour with new oil. Crack open inlet valve and open air vent to pass air from the pump chamber. When confirmed, pump chamber is full of fuel, fully open the inlet and discharge valve.